Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lint screen grill cover on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the cover is damaged, causing clothes to get caught on it during a cycle, and they will get damaged as well. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here. And this piece in here is our lint screen grill cover. So in order to get that out, we're going to take the lint screen filter out first. And there are going to be two screws on this side right here. And we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to take those out. Once you've got those two screws out, this grill cover will come right out. Now, you can grab your new OEM replacement grill cover. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put the new one in, like so, with the filter on that side. And match up the screw holes on this side here. And once you've got that done, you can screw it back in. Once you've got it screwed in, just double check and make sure it's secure. Then you put the lint screen filter back in, close your dryer door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.